A pill to treat COVID-19 was so successful in reducing the most severe outcomes of the illness, that clinical trials of the medication were stopped early so more people might benefit, drugmaker Merck Co. announced Friday. A 5-day course of the drug, called molnupiravir, was found to cut COVID hospitalizations and related deaths in half, according to a company press release. Merck said it intends to ask health officials in the United States and around the world for emergency authorization for the pill. If cleared, it would be the first oral medication shown to treat COVID, a potentially major advance in efforts to fight the pandemic. All COVID therapies now authorized in the U.S. require an 4-hour injection. Full coverage of the COVID-19 pandemic. Merck and its partner Ridgeback Biotherapeutics said early results showed patients who received molnupiravir within 5 days of COVID symptoms had about a 50% reduction in the rate of hospitalization and death as patients who received a placebo pill. The study tracked 775 adults with mild to moderate COVID who were considered higher risk for severe disease due to health problems such as obesity, diabetes or heart disease. None had been vaccinated. Among patients taking molnupiravir, 7.3% were either hospitalized or died at the end of 30 days, compared with 14.1% of those getting the dummy pill. There were no deaths in the drug group after that time period compared with 8 deaths in the placebo group, according to Merck. A safe, affordable and effective oral antiviral would be a huge advance in the fight against COVID, Dr. Peter Horby, a professor of emerging infectious diseases at TH. While the drug previously looked promising in the lab, he said the real test was whether it showed a true benefit among patients, which it did. Many drugs fail at this point, so these interim results are very encouraging. The results were released by the company and have not been peer-reviewed. Merck said it plans to present them at a future medical meeting. Meanwhile, an independent group of medical experts monitoring the trial recommended stopping it early because the interim results were so strong. Company executives said they are in discussions with the Food and Drug Administration and plan to submit an application for emergency use authorization as soon as possible.